Video is the wave on Amazon right now, and it is gonna be the future. So I highly suggest that you start implementing video into your strategies. Video testimonials, live stream selling, and actual upload videos of user-generated content or your product being used. See, a picture tells 1,000 words, but what does a video do? A video can be a combination of you utilizing the actual product, showing how the product is used, displaying benefits and features, showing actual sizes and so on and so forth. And that is literally priceless. So I highly suggest that at every level of your strategy in your business, you're using reviews and you're utilizing video. So utilize reviews and videos together, utilize videos for advertisement, utilize user-generated content for uploading directly to your Amazon underneath the suggested videos. Also look into the Amazon Livestream platform, which is something new that they're running in beta right now. And when you do that, that's gonna help you substantially, right? And another thing in reference to that is whenever Amazon does anything new or it's in beta and you get invited to it or you get an email about it, make sure that you take advantage of that because they favor a lot of traffic and a lot of eyeballs on things that they are betaing. So that's something new that they started out, guys. And when you become brand registered, you can actually put videos in your listings. You can use it in your A+ content. And literally the opportunities become endless once you become brand registered. I've talked about it over and over again across multiple different videos. Get your brand built, get your trademark, get brand registered before they make it even more difficult, right? Right now it's very simple. You get a trademark, you apply, boom, you're in there. But start implementing, I challenge you to start implementing video in every aspect of your business because it's only gonna help you. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.